Good evening, everyone, and welcome to the second annual University of Utah's Innovation Awards. Tonight, we celebrate something truly special, innovation. From our students, first-time inventors, to seasoned innovators, each of you has contributed to making the University of Utah a hub of creativity and impact. Your work shapes the future, addressing real-world challenges, and we're here to honor those accomplishments. I would like to take a moment to extend our sincere gratitude to our platinum sponsors, Ballard SBIR, Michael Best, Thorpe North and Western, and Workman Nidegger. Your generous support has helped make this event possible, and we truly appreciate your commitment to fostering innovation and excellence. Throughout the evening, we will celebrate innovation and entrepreneurism at the U and acknowledge key programs, funding, and grants that have helped bring ideas to life. You'll hear about the inspiring work happening across campus and the remarkable individuals behind those innovations. My goal is to create a nimble, faculty-focused environment that supports research commercialization, fosters collaboration, and adapts quickly to meeting the evolving needs of innovators. We're trying something new with our awards program, a pre-recorded host, recognition and awards announcements, as well as acceptance speeches. They've been pre-recorded, but there are still plenty of in-person opportunities to engage, and we have a microphone if needed. This evening's program is available by scanning the QR code on your table using your camera app. Patent mugs and awards will be available for pickup throughout the evening, and we encourage you to stop by the red carpet for photos to capture this special night. Be sure to connect with fellow attendees and celebrate your hard work. So sit back, enjoy the evening, and join us in celebrating the transformative work happening here. Thank you for being a part of this vibrant community of discovery and impact. Now it's my honor to introduce Dr. Aaron Rothwell, our Vice President for Research. Dr. Rothwell is a distinguished researcher and a bridge builder for innovation, connecting researchers, departments, and external partners, ensuring that innovation is not only generated, but translated into real-world applications that solve pressing challenges. Under her leadership, the U continues to thrive as a leader in innovation. Please welcome Dr. Aaron Rothwell.
Good evening. I'm honored to be with you tonight and to be part of this amazing community of innovators. Look around. Everywhere you turn are people who eat, sleep, and breathe innovation. It's what gets us up in the morning and keeps us going through our many long days, nights, and weekends we put in. I'm so grateful for all your hard work, your vision, and your dedication. You're truly making a difference in people's lives. So tonight we celebrate. We celebrate your incredible innovations and the impacts they've had. We celebrate your journey from an initial spark of discovery to the moment your inventions and solutions make an impact beyond the U. Your achievements are truly inspiring. They show us what can be accomplished when we collaborate, connect, and build bridges. By connecting and collaborating across campus, across disciplines, we bring more knowledge to the table and make more breakthroughs. And by bridging your groundbreaking work to our community, state, country, and beyond, we have the power to drive meaningful change and improve lives on a global scale. The awards we're giving tonight are a testament to your bold ideas, your passion, your perseverance in translating complex ideas into real-world solutions. I'm humbled to honor you all tonight, and I'm committed to supporting you as you pursue your entrepreneurial work with resources, partnerships, and pathways to bring your innovations to market. By combining our collective strengths, we can achieve things no one thought possible. So congratulations to all of our honorees, and a heartfelt thank you for your immense contributions to research at the University of Utah.
Now it's time to recognize the extraordinary achievements that have shaped innovation at the University of Utah this year as we celebrate the individuals and teams whose groundbreaking work has led to significant advancements and transformative ideas. Innovation Ambassadors. Innovation Ambassadors are individuals who are making a significant impact on the University of Utah's vibrant culture of innovation and discovery. Thanks to the incredible work of researchers across campus, the University of Utah has become a hub for innovation in the West. The Technology Licensing Office has tapped select researchers and staff to serve as innovation ambassadors, key liaisons between our office, university departments, and their colleagues. These ambassadors play a critical role in advancing innovation, translational research, and entrepreneurship across campus. Their responsibilities include connecting researchers to intellectual property, commercialization, and entrepreneurship resources, keeping their departments updated on new programs and funding, and reporting innovation metrics. They also provide valuable feedback to the university to help foster and enhance our innovation culture. Please join us in thanking our innovation ambassadors for their leadership and dedication to advancing the University of Utah's mission of innovation and discovery. Bobby Mahanti, Jess Tate, Jay Kim. Ascender Grant recipients. The Ascender Grant is a key part of supporting innovation at the U. It is one of the ways the Technology Licensing Office advances technologies for the U. This program helps inventors bridge the funding gap between research and commercialization by providing support for technology development, de-risking, performance validation, and to prepare the innovation for additional investment by entrepreneurs, investors, and potential licensees. More technologies end up getting licensed than technologies without these supports. Of the completed Ascender grants, a third are licensed and a third are under active negotiation. We'd like to thank Kirsten Woolstenhume and Jamie Rosenthal, who facilitate the Ascender Grant program. In fiscal year 24, we awarded 10 awards for $1.1 million. This evening, we'd like to recognize the innovators who completed all their Ascender Grant milestones. Robert Hitchcock, Matthew Rondina and Jesse Rowley, Jan Kubinek, Masoud Tabibazar, NSF I-Core teams. I-Core is a key part of the NSF National Innovation Network, which connects innovators with seasoned entrepreneurs, NSF-funded researchers, federal agencies, and entrepreneurial communities across the country. The I-Core program teaches the skills and imparts the knowledge needed to transform research into a deep technology venture and supports small businesses in our community. Teams learn specific methodologies to assess the commercial feasibility of their solution to gain a deeper understanding of the potential target industry and consumer base. The program is designed to help reduce the time and risk of turning promising ideas and technologies into real-world products and services. It provides a personalized approach to guiding innovators through this process, helping them transform their discoveries into something that can truly benefit society. Our Utah I-Core team is led by Himanshu Jayant Sant, Amy Graham, Eric Johnson, Wan Yong Lee, and Shruti Hegde lead the efforts of the Utah I-Core team, and we want to acknowledge the time, skill, and effort that they put into the program here at the U and across the state. The team recently received the Spirit of I-Core Award at the annual Hub West Conference. The award recognizes the Utah I-Core team's success over the past year as they have reorganized and built Utah's I-Core program from the ground up. Thank you, Utah I-Core team. Let's give them a round of applause for their dedication. We'd like to recognize the following teams that completed I-Core regional programming: Karsten Eastman and Vahi Bandarian of Sethara, Grant Musgrave of EndureCure, Mary Jepson and Badi Mahanti of EAS Sensing, Dhruv Patel and Mark Porter of Novus AT. Thank you for your participation in the I-Core program. SBIR STTR Awards. The Small Business Innovation Research, SBIR, and Small Business Technology Transfer, STTR programs, collectively known as America's Seed Fund, are the nation's largest source of early-stage, high-risk funding for startups and small businesses. These highly competitive federal programs support the development of cutting-edge technologies and help startups bridge the funding gap needed to bring innovations to market. At the University of Utah, we are committed to supporting the translation of laboratory discoveries into commercial products and services that meet societal needs. We extend our congratulations to the SBIR STTR grant and other translational research awardees for the dedication to advancing this mission through their translational research efforts. Florian Solzbacher, Hamidreza Gandahari, Andrew Zayachkiewski, Rebecca Simmons, Steve Blair, Edward Cazalas, Shindup Lee, Gabor Marth, Berardi Sansale Rodriguez, Rajesh Menon, Mark Mahan, Jake J. Addett, Jacob Hochhalter. Patent Lounge Recognition. This year, we are recognizing all U.S. patents issued in fiscal year 2024, including 11 first-time patent holders. The 23 patents we're recognizing tonight represent the dedication and collaboration that turn ideas into real-world solutions. For our first-time patent holders, this is the start of an exciting journey. And for our serial innovators, it's a testament to the culture of innovation and ongoing pursuit of discovery here. Together, we are shaping the future and driving meaningful change. We'd like to invite all of you to stop by our patent lounge this evening. It's a great opportunity to dive deeper into the incredible innovations we're recognizing tonight, connect with fellow inventors, and learn more about the impact of these patents. Patentees, your mugs are available to pick up anytime throughout the evening. The Excellence in Innovation Undergraduate Student Award recognizes a student who has shown excellence in academics and efforts to improve society through translational research and/or invention development. This student distinguishes themselves from peers through their dedication, entrepreneurial spirit, and curiosity. We are honored to announce Morgan Doan as the recipient of the Excellence in Innovation Undergraduate Student Award. Morgan Doan developed an AI-enabled platform that revolutionizes how student course feedback is analyzed and used to enhance teaching quality. His tool synthesizes feedback, peer reviews, and faculty reflections to provide comprehensive, actionable insights for instructors. Morgan's innovative technical approach, leveraging novel AI tools and traditional data science methods, has significantly improved faculty development and student success. His work goes beyond programming. His conceptual redesigns have transformed the project into a powerful tool that far exceeded initial expectations. Morgan's contributions, both technical and entrepreneurial, demonstrate his ability to create impactful, real-world solutions. Please join us in congratulating Morgan on his exceptional accomplishments and the well-deserved recognition he is receiving today.
Hi everyone, my name is Morgan Doan. I'm very grateful to have received the Excellence in Innovation Undergraduate Student Award from Technology Licensing Office. During my time at the U, I had wonderful support from the office and from my colleagues and all the people that I worked with, and I look forward to continuing the work going forward. Thank you.
The Excellence in Innovation Graduate Student Award recognizes a student who has shown excellence in academics and efforts to improve society through translational research and/or invention development. This graduate student distinguishes themselves from peers through their dedication, entrepreneurial spirit, and curiosity. We are honored to announce Michael Adkins as the recipient of the Excellence in Innovation Graduate Student Award. Michael Adkins exemplifies the intersection of clinical, business, engineering, and scientific innovation. A standout MD-PhD student in the Utah Neurorobotics Lab, Michael has earned multiple accolades, including an NIH Diversity Fellowship, a $50,000 NSF I-Corps grant, and $51,000 in business competition awards. His research has led to patents and multiple research articles, is not only scientifically rigorous, but also demonstrates commercial viability and immediate clinical impact. Michael's ability to immerse himself in customer discovery and entrepreneurial competitions while developing groundbreaking technologies positions him as a rising leader in healthcare innovation. Please join us in congratulating Michael on his exceptional accomplishments and the well-deserved recognition he is receiving today.
Hello everybody, I'm Michael Atkins, and I'm really glad to be here tonight to accept this award. To share a little bit about myself, I've always had a really deep passion for both medicine and engineering. And ultimately, it was this passion which drove me to pursue a program of study here at the University of Utah as an MD PhD student studying electrical engineering. I've always wanted to become the kind of doctor who can not only help treat patients, but also develop the technologies necessary to aid them in the future. And being at the University of Utah has allowed me to really get involved in a number of translational research opportunities as well as entrepreneurial activities. In particular, I want to just highlight the bench-to-bedside medical device competition, which really kind of initially sparked my passion for medicine and engineering. This competition brings together medical students, electrical engineering students, and business students, as well as doctors, potentially as mentors, and nurses and other healthcare workers, really to start to develop new devices to actually help solve some of the critical challenges in healthcare. And as a part of this competition, I've competed now 3 times with 3 separate medical devices, each time winning some awards and some financial funding. And I've sort of slowly started to build up experience and understanding of what it really takes to translate some of these devices from the bench to the bedside, hence the competition name. And through these competitions, I was able to take some of my experience and what I've learned and actually pursue additional fundraising opportunities and sort of more business-minded skills, ultimately gaining roughly about $51,000 in non-dilutive funding for some of these projects I've been involved in. And that kind of snowballed into me becoming an MD PhD student now studying more translational research for stroke patients, developing a new kind of assessment and rehabilitative tool for the hand for stroke patients in order to help them really recover some hand function here. And I was able to further this into a $50,000 grant, which I received from the National Science Foundation, purely focused on customer discovery and how to actually verify that your product has a real need. And through this $50,000 grant, I actually ended up conducting roughly 102 interviews with end users, purchasers, and potential partners for this device. And it really, I just highlight all of these opportunities and experiences that I've had at the University of Utah to say that I wouldn't really be able to do what I'm doing today without these opportunities. And I'm just really eternally grateful for the opportunities afforded by the University of Utah. And I hope to continue to work at the intersection of both engineering and medicine and to continue to do good work. So, cheers.
The Investigator on the Rise Award recognizes an early career faculty member who has made an outstanding achievement that impacts the innovation world through a new patent, license, or startup. The Investigator on the Rise embodies the university's commitment to excellence in research and shows great capability for future achievements in invention development. We are honored to announce Justin English as the recipient of the Investigator of the Year Award. Dr. Justin English has made remarkable strides in understanding and controlling how cells transmit information. A pioneer in his field, English invented Vegas, viral evolution of genetically actuated sequences, a groundbreaking platform for directed protein evolution in mammalian cells. His innovations are transforming how G-protein-coupled receptor signaling is studied and controlled, with significant implications for drug discovery. GPCRs are the target of over 1/3 of FDA-approved drugs, and English's work offers a powerful new tool for developing high-affinity agonists for previously undrugged receptors. Beyond his research, Justin English is a true innovator and entrepreneur. He founded Evolution Bio to commercialize the revolutionary technologies developed in his lab, which has already resulted in 4 issued or pending patents. English's consulting work with major biotech companies and his lab's partnerships with leading firms like Eli Lilly and Calliope further illustrate his impact on both academia and industry. Known for his energy, creativity, and ability to inspire his colleagues, English is having a transformative effect on the University of Utah's research and entrepreneurial ecosystem. His entrepreneurial spirit combined with the scientific ingenuity makes him a deserving recipient of the Investigator on the Rise Award. Please join us in congratulating Justin on his exceptional accomplishments and the well-deserved recognition he is receiving today.
Thanks so much for the nomination and award as an investigator on the rise here at the University of Utah. And thanks also to the TLO team for helping us to get our inventions in our laboratory patented and commercialized and distributed to the wider community. I'm looking forward to continuing to develop new technologies to innovate and accelerate discovery here at the University of Utah.
The Innovator of the Year award recognizes an established university researcher who has made a notable achievement in innovation that benefits society and creates economic impact in the past year. This individual has demonstrated a strong commitment to transformational research, leadership, and mentoring in the university community. We are honored to announce Roger Altizer as the recipient of the Innovator of the Year award. Roger Altizer's work at the intersection of game design, health, and technology exemplifies innovation that transforms lives. As co-director of the Digital Health Initiative and founding director of the Therapeutic Games and Apps Lab, the GAPS Lab, Altizer has developed nearly 80 games and apps, including VR and AR tools for physical therapy, mental health, and public health education. His unique contributions, such as creating the first video game in the Shoshone language and a mood management game for young adults on the autism spectrum, demonstrate his dedication to impactful, socially conscious design. Altizer is also the creator of the Design Box, an award-winning participatory design methodology that involves end users as co-designers. His research spans a wide range of health innovations, including games for adolescent mental health, which are now clinically endorsed for their efficacy in reducing symptoms of anxiety and depression. Through AI, VR, and game-based tools, he continues to enhance patient outcomes, improve cognitive function, and promote public health education. A leader in entrepreneurial efforts, Altizer has advised numerous startups focused on therapeutic games, with several gaining traction in diverse healthcare settings. His work has earned him national and international recognition, including numerous speaking engagements at industry and academic conferences. Please join us in congratulating Roger on his exceptional accomplishments and the well-deserved recognition he is receiving today.
Hi, I'm Roger Altizer, and I can't tell you how happy I am to receive the Innovator of the Year award. I've been at Utah for 20 years now, which if you would have asked me 20 years ago if I was going to be here that long, I would have told you were crazy. But I couldn't leave because this is such a place of innovation and entrepreneurialism and cutting-edge research, and more importantly, cross-campus collaboration. I just can't tell you how awesome it is to be at a place that has an ecosystem like Utah. This is the place for innovation. And that's largely thanks to a lot of our leadership, the VPR's office, the work that Aaron and Jim are doing there to create a new ecosystem for innovation. Rachel Hess and the as AVPR of Health Sciences, the support that she's given me over the years has just opened so many doors for me. In Population Health Science, my chair, Angie Fagrin, the work that's happened there as a result of her leadership and open-mindedness towards innovation as research cannot be understated. I can't tell you what a pleasure it is to co-direct the Digital Health Initiative, direct the Therapeutic Games and Apps Lab, and to help launch the ST2C, as it's affectionately known, is a great place to get any software you want made. Chat with Andrew Moran if you're interested in that. But I want to take 2 seconds just to talk about the incredible students and colleagues that exist here at Utah. This is a place where we bring people from, in my own work, from social work and nursing and the humanities and H&K and internal medicine and everywhere you can imagine. It's one of the few places where we can really work cross-campus on big problems with bold ideas. And so this is a great place to do this kind of work, and I'm just flattered beyond belief to be the Innovator of the Year. So if you want to play and do some more games for health or games for education, give me a buzz. I'll happily collaborate with you on that kind of work. But in the meantime, know that the wonderful things that are happening here in Utah are only going to get better as this ecosystem continues to grow. I remember being a faculty entrepreneurial scholar back in the day with TLO, then called TVC, I believe. it's just been constant here. There's always new things happening to encourage growth here at Utah. So thank you for this award. I can't tell you how much it means to me. Innovation is a massive part of what I do. And I believe that we can change the world for the better through digital health, through playful health, and through the research done here at the University of Utah. So go Utes, and thank you very much for this award.
The Breakthrough of the Year Award recognizes an invention or discovery that has created a meaningful difference in society. Recipient teams or individuals have successfully developed and commercialized an invention that improves lives in real-world use and creates economic impact. We are honored to announce the HGN Lab team as the recipient of the Breakthrough of the Year. The Utah Bionic Leg, developed by Mechanical Engineering Associate Professor Tommaso Lenzi and his team at the HGN Lab, represents a revolutionary advancement in prosthetic technology. This motorized prosthetic for lower limb amputees uses motors, processors, and advanced artificial intelligence to give users greater power and control, enabling them to walk, stand, sit, and navigate stairs with ease. The leg's intelligent design helps amputees, especially older adults, achieve new levels of mobility by reducing the physical strain often placed on the upper body and intact leg when using traditional prosthetics. Lenzi's innovative prosthetic, which recently made the cover of Science Robotics and made Time Magazine's 2023 annual list of best inventions, incorporates custom-designed sensors, a smart transmission system, and robotic joints that allow for intuitive and continuous control, mimicking the functionality of an intact leg. The Utah Bionic Leg is equipped with robotic knee, ankle, and toe joints, enhancing stability and comfort for users, and is designed to adapt to various activities like walking on different terrains or climbing stairs. The development of the Utah Bionic Leg was driven by Lenzi and a dedicated team of University of Utah graduate students, including Lucas Gabbert, Brendan Ortolano, Marissa Cohen, Liam Sullivan, Grace Hunt, Claire Sevier, Vishnu Subramani, Min Tran, Sarah Hood, and Joel Mendez. Their collaborative work on this breakthrough technology is now being licensed to Ottobock, a global leader in the prosthetics industry, marking a significant step toward making this life-changing innovation available to amputees worldwide. Please join us in congratulating the HGN Lab team on their exceptional accomplishments and the well-deserved recognition they are receiving today.
Hello, everyone. As you can tell, I didn't really record the video, but well, I should have read my email. But anyways, I am really excited and really honored to be here, in the midst of all these inventions and inventors. And, I think I speak for all faculty when I say, you think about our ultimate goal is to change the world, right? To make it a better place, to have an impact, right? That's what really we are aiming to do. And it starts small. It starts with our research ideas. It starts in our offices, in our classrooms, right? And but then it grows, right? And it gets better and bigger, and hopefully it gets out in the world where the real impact happens. And the first thing that as I'm speaking here that I can think of is just being grateful about all the work that other people have done for us to put this technology out. And so all the people, TLO, TVC, Pivot, all their names, I really want everyone in the room to please help me, give me a round of applause, because we wouldn't be able to do any of this without them. So thank you very much for all the hard work that you've done. And then the other thing that I'm really thankful for is all the students that I've worked with, all the grad students that we have here at University of Utah. As I said before, it starts small, like the research idea, maybe something that feels crazy, but it's hard to make a change. It's hard at the beginning to believe that it's even gonna be possible, right? And it really takes the craziness of some young grad students to make this happen. And so I would like to invite my team to come over here. Come on, guys, don't be shy, all of you. And be really recognized, because I'm here doing the speech and getting my name, but it's their work that really makes a difference. Yeah. And then very final thing, I am very thankful for all the people that I work with that help us make this life better, the people that have an amputation and dedicated their time, volunteered their time over many, many years, working with us since the very beginning. And especially one that is no longer with us. His name is Kerry. He believed very, very, very much in our mission. It motivated us, it pushed us, and I wish he was here, he could see us. Yeah, good job, guys.
The Founder of the Year Award recognizes an individual founder who has shown exceptional leadership, vision, and impact on their startup. This founder supports the Office of the President's strategy goal of developing and transferring new knowledge to address societal needs. We are honored to announce that Jan Kubanek as the recipient of the Founder of the Year Award. Jan Kubanek, Associate Professor of Biomedical Engineering and founder of SBIR Therapeutics, is at the forefront of addressing the significant gap in effective treatments for mental and neurological disorders, where current therapies are often ineffective in 1 out of 3 cases. Kubanek developed Diadem, an ultrasound-based device offering non-invasive, targeted, and personalized treatments for chronic pain and depression. Through SBIR Therapeutics, a resident company at Altitude Lab, Kubanek is translating this groundbreaking technology into a marketable product, offering new hope to patients. SBIR Therapeutics also has gained recognition, winning multiple pitch competitions and advancing its clinical stage biotechnology pipeline. The company recently initiated a phase 3 trial for chronic pain and depression, with additional innovative treatments on the horizon. Kubanek's work aims to provide surgery-free and drug-free treatments to the millions of people with disorders of brain function who do not respond to existing treatments. Please join us in congratulating Jan on his exceptional accomplishments and the well-deserved recognition he is receiving today.
Good evening, everyone. I really appreciate this award, and I would most sincerely like to thank the TLO office for all that hard work to enable these steps of progress. And I would also like to thank all my trainees in the lab. I'm the one who does the paperwork and who pays the bills, but I'm not actually the one who does the work. So I would really like to acknowledge all their input and the TLO office progress towards pushing the technology forward. Now, as I speak, there are thousands of people who have depression or pain so severe they cannot get out of the bed. There are people in the streets. You drive downtown Salt Lake City, Seattle, San Francisco, Los Angeles. There are people living in tents like dogs, not like people. What do we do about this? That's a really big issue and challenge for mankind, right? And so we have developed technology that we believe is practical enough and then will be affordable enough that allows us to reset and repair the deep brain structures involved in disorders like pain, depression, schizophrenia, and many of these disorders that are currently intractable. In fact, about 1 in 3 people, believe it or not, are resistant to current treatments. It's just millions and millions of people. And many of those cannot be with us here because of those constraints. So we believe that we can help many of these individuals. That's our mission. That's not gonna be easy. We cannot do it in isolation. We can only do it with you guys. Any of you who's interested in that kind of mission, please join us. This is gonna be a bumpy ride, but the good news is we are not gonna give up and we're not gonna stop in front of anything. We're gonna address any challenge. We're gonna bulldoze through any obstacle. We are going to bring this into people at a large scale. Those millions of people who need it will get the technology with your help, your support. I much appreciate your recognition. Thank you very much.
The Startup of the Year Award recognizes a startup that has achieved remarkable growth in terms of revenue, market share, user base, or outstanding technological advancements. The startup supports the Office of the President's strategy goal of developing and transferring new knowledge to address societal needs. We are honored to announce 3 Helix as the recipient of the Startup of the Year Award. Founded in 2015, 3Helix, a University of Utah spin-out company, has developed proprietary collagen hybridizing peptides that target damaged collagen molecules, key indicators of tissue injury, and diseases involving abnormal tissue remodeling, such as cancer, myocardial infarction, arthritis, osteoporosis, and fibrosis. Collagen is essential for supporting cell growth and tissue formation, but targeting damaged collagen has traditionally been challenging with conventional technologies. 3Helix has been developing these peptides as a research tool for academic and industrial labs, while driving substantial innovations of their platform's capabilities into therapeutic and diagnostic applications. CHP-based diagnostics offer non-invasive methods, such as medical imaging and serum testing, to improve patient stratification and reduce unnecessary treatments. Building on these advancements, 3Helix has since developed several cosmetic and therapeutic peptides, creating a new frontier in anti-aging technology with BASF and hope for patients with inflammatory and fibrotic conditions. In addition to its scientific advances, 3Helix has formed multiple academic partnerships, received funding from the Utah Innovation Fund, and successfully graduated from Altitude Lab. These milestones underscore the company's commitment to advancing both research and clinical solutions, making 3Helix a well-deserving recipient of the Startup of the Year award. Please join us in congratulating the 3Helix team on their exceptional accomplishments and the well-deserved recognition they are receiving today.
Wow, what an honor it is to be here today. I'm incredibly excited to accept this award on behalf of the 3Helix team. And we really couldn't be here without the University of Utah. We've had partnerships with our employees in terms of who we've hired and worked with. We've had many different collaborations with different professors throughout the years. We've had our founders, Michael Yu, Yang Li. We've even had our board members come from the Tech Transfer Office, and Noah Nasser, who is here somewhere in the audience today. Now, the Tech Transfer Office has gone by many names over the years, so I'm not exactly sure the name that they are today, but that doesn't mean they haven't left a legacy at 3Helix. They've helped us make connections throughout the Salt Lake City community in terms of Bio Utah. They've introduced us to the San Studio to help us get interns. They even got us a location at the Altitude Labs, and we're the second company there because of the University of Utah Tech Transfer Office. On a personal note, they help me teach how to pitch VCs. They help me negotiate IP clauses, both with the University of Utah and other universities and other companies. So their impact goes much more than just being a tech transfer office. So with that, it's been an incredibly challenging, fun, exciting journey to build 3Helix over the years alongside the university. And we hope that our continued partnership and success continues throughout the years. And this is our staff team.
Hello, this is Michael Yu, professor and co-founder of 3Helix. Wow, Startup of the Year. No pressure, right? Seriously though, a huge thank you to the university for this amazing award. We would not be here without your support. I think this award really motivates us to keep innovating and making an impact. We are really excited to see what's coming up next. So thank you again.
The Lifetime Achievement Award honors an individual that has created a deep and widespread impact through innovation. Throughout their career, this individual has lent their knowledge, skill, and time to fill unmet needs in society with transformative solutions. We are honored to announce Carl Witwer as the recipient of the Lifetime Achievement Award. Dr. Carl Witwer, co-founder and chief scientific officer of Idaho Technology BioFire Diagnostics, played a pivotal role as board chairman and during the company's acquisition by BioMiro. As a professor emeritus of pathology at the University of Utah, Witwer has made enduring contributions to molecular diagnostics, holding over 50 U.S. patents and publishing more than 200 scientific articles. His innovations include rapid cycle PCR in the early 1990s, the light cycler system in 1995, high-resolution melting, HRM, in 2004 and extreme PCR in 2014, all of which have shaped modern diagnostic practices. Dr. Witwer remains committed to advancing faster, more affordable molecular diagnostic technologies. His latest work includes his appointment to the advisory board of InBiome, where he continues to drive the development of high-throughput pathogen detection systems. His dedication to continually pushing the boundaries of molecular diagnostics has made him an invaluable leader in the field. Please join us in celebrating Dr. Witwer's outstanding accomplishments and the recognition he receives today. His pioneering spirit and extraordinary contributions have had a transformative impact on science and healthcare, making him a truly deserving recipient of the Lifetime Achievement Award.
Thank you very much for your Lifetime Achievement Award. As long as that doesn't imply that I'm nearing my eminent unavoidable conclusion. 3 quick thoughts on innovation and intellectual property in the academic setting. The first is that it is merit-based and objective. Most innovation doesn't come from big companies. It comes from small companies and universities. It's more likely to come from young assistant professors than it is from tenured professors, department chairs, or deans. Second thought, as a university innovator, your job is to conceive and reduce to practice, as well as publish, present, and expand the applications of your invention. It's not necessarily to run the business. In fact, you'll find that as an inventor, you often may disagree with business decisions that are made, and they will be right. Finally, the Technology Licensing Office is probably the one office at the university that has the most difficult job. So when they tell you that perhaps your golden invention is not quite ready, you should probably listen to them. Again, thanks very much, and I wish you best of success to all of us as we try to continue to improve the human condition. Bye now.
As we come to the close of tonight's Innovation Awards, I'd like to take a moment to reflect on the incredible achievements we've celebrated this evening. I have the privilege of working closely with the brilliant minds at the University of Utah, those who are not only advancing research, but transforming that research into real-world solutions. Tonight's honorees embody this spirit of innovation, bridging the gap between discovery and impact. You are turning groundbreaking ideas into technologies, startups, and products that will change lives. This evening, we've recognized remarkable work across our university. Each of you represents the best of what our community has to offer. The work you are doing is what propels the University of Utah forward as a leader in the national innovation landscape. And I am proud to be part of an institution that fosters such creativity and drive. Our greatest asset in innovation is our faculty. And my goal is to make it easier for all of you to take your discoveries beyond the university, to solve pressing challenges, and to partner with commercial entities to bring your research to the world. Tonight is a testament to that mission. Before we close, I want to remind those of you here to pick up your awards and patent mugs, and don't forget to capture the evening at the red carpet. For those who couldn't join us tonight, we look forward to continuing to celebrate your achievements throughout the year. Thank you for being here. Thank you for your contributions, and congratulations once again to all of tonight's honorees. Together, we are shaping the future of innovation.